All right, check this one out. Fresh arrival. That's right, Victory Honda of Plymouth, 2017 Honda CRV EXL all-wheel drive. Beautiful molten lava, they call the color. It's got ivory interior, it's leather interior. This particular car is a one owner, been super well maintained. We got tons of service records with all the stuff that's been done to it. The tires are almost new. This guy really took care of this car. He just traded it in, bought a brand new CRV. He loved the CRV so much he was just upgrading to a new one. That's your opportunity to take home this 17 with only 96,000 miles on it. Again, under 100,000 miles, super clean, super nice, well maintained. The interior, when I open up the back door, I'll show you. I don't even think anybody sat in the back seat. The floor mats still look like brand new in the back there. He's got WeatherTech in the front, so it protects the the carpet. Check this front out. It's got fog lights, nice sporty style here. Great color. The body's in great shape, still shining, nice and clean. Let me show you the inside. Interior there, like I said, WeatherTech floor mats. You got the beige leather interior. Show you the dash with the miles, 96,249. The infotainment system. Both of the keys, as always here at Victory Honda of Plymouth, we give 2 keys with every vehicle. Books, records, Carfax, all the stuff you're gonna get. Come check it out today. Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This particular car will not last. Everybody's looking for a mid-size SUV that's been well cared for, that's going to last for a long time at the right value. Give us a call today. This one could be yours. Thank you.